Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, August 5th. Hope you had a great weekend. Let's take a look at that NASDAQ market. It did give us that close that we were looking for. I mentioned unchanged to higher. Again, we didn't have dramatic information on Friday, but we're seeing this level of commitment at least for the NASDAQ market. Now, when it comes to those currencies, I was looking for a sideways market in the euro. We found a little bit of, it is a sideways market, but we are finding a little bit of buying, so a little bit of weakness in the US dollar. That is what I'm looking for next week. I'm looking for that to continue to the upside. Now, the Canadian dollar did trade below this bearish level, and the difference between the bullish and bearish level here in that particular market is 139 ticks. Each tick is $10, so that would be $1,390 for the full-size contract. There's also a micro contract, which would be 1/10 that size, so that magnitude of move would be $139. And again, if you've never traded currencies, you're interested in doing so, and you've got your strategy set up, you've got your risk management set up, well, micro contracts may be the way to go. It gives you an opportunity to trade these markets. They move exactly the same as a full-size contract. It's just that the capital requirement is much less. But let's move on. Let's take a look at the interest rate markets. You know, some of the news that came out, it strengthened this. In the notes, I was looking for a quieter day for it to rotate back and forth down here, but with the news that came out, we're looking for this market to give us a strong rally. I don't think so, but we had it pop right back up. It is very bouncy. A move back to the upside would be logical. I just don't think it's going to move very far. And when it comes to gold, even though fundamentals don't support it, this is a market that I still believe wants to go higher. We continue on to the energy market. Supplies are heavy. There's no real reason for us to be up here. And this backing off, I think, makes sense. I don't think it's going to be a dramatic drop. I wish it would be longer term. We have a potential for a longer term move to the downside. I just don't think we're going to get that, although I'd love to see it. Well, beans. I looked for beans to slow down a bit. We did trade lower, but we are seeing a market that is they're trying to find buyers down here. That's that shadow on top says to us, but we're still seeing that weak close, and on Monday I'm looking for that unchanged type behavior. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.